Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Thomas. Tonight we're back here with Red vs. Blue. Another Mary series called There's a Way, There's a Wall. I think. Or there's a will, there's a wall, or I don't know. It's basically I'm not even gonna try anymore. So I think we're still in middle of season 9. I haven't started 10 yet, so anyway, so might as well just get this thing running. So be sure to like, subscribe for more. Hope you enjoy. Let's go. Oh, there's a will, there's a wall. Okay, I was right. Seconds are. Oh, hey Griff.
Hey, Griff, can I talk to you for a minute? Not now, Simmons. I'm right in the middle of something. Oh, yeah? What are you doing?
What is it? Nothing.
Standing? I see. How time consuming. You know, it really is. You'd think Command would send us a couple of lawn chairs or something. I want to talk to you about Sarge. Don't you think he's been acting a little odd lately? He's been
How
barking
so?
orders and spying on the Blues. What's so weird about that? Well, first of all, he's been spying in the wrong direction for 3 weeks.
Oh.
Really? Yes. He didn't even notice that the Blues got a shipment this morning. I don't believe it. I know. I'm starting to think something might be seriously wrong with him. You're telling me I've been pretending to work out here this whole time, and Sarge wasn't even watching? Why didn't you tell me this sooner?
Simmons! Front and center on the double!
Okay, coming. Oh, the helicopter.
Many. Church,
So many what?
we're going to pick up so many chicks.
I
mean, I know I said that about the tank, but this is a freaking
There's
helicopter.
no chicks here,
Do you have any
dude.
idea what the word pilot means to women?
This is the best Christmas ever.
Shut up, Caboose.
Both of you shut up. You're ruining
I'm with you.
Man, just imagine what we can do with this thing.
Yes, I am out of here. See you later, losers. Ladies, please. I can't land until all 400 of you make room. It's gonna be a
400.
You're all blonde and we love you. Nice.
One got in. What's doing? Fuck, I did it.
No idea what I'm doing.
Dibs. I make dips.
Too late.
Wanted to see us?
Sarge, what are you doing?
Damn right! We've got ourselves an emergency situation!
Let me guess. Is it the
How
Blues?
so? The
When
wall?
has it ever been the Blues? That would make too much sense.
Over the past few weeks, I've been conducting top-secret reconnaissance. I think
On
I
a
may
wall.
have stumbled upon an enormous gap in our defenses!
What? Where?
The worst place of all. Directly behind us!
Eh?
That's just a wall, sir.
Well, do you have
Yeah.
any idea what's behind that wall?
No.
Not really.
And you for not thinking about it, Simmons.
How about me, Sarge? Are you disappointed in me for not caring about it?
All this time we've been putting our backs to the wall without even considering what could be on the other side. For all we know, the Blues have been building a massive army right behind us. Or it could be some sort of alien wall, containing a
Alien wall?
despicable evil just waiting to get loose.
Sarge, maybe you should sit down for a little while, clear your head. I bet if you ask Command to send us a few lawn chairs... You know, come to think of it, that wall does seem really out of place. I mean, why would anybody build a wall in the middle of an empty canyon? Why would anyone build a military base in the middle of an empty canyon? Don't start that again. These are questions that will never be answered, but will continue to be asked.
Damn it,
Sounds
man.
right.
We will not rest until we know exactly what is behind that wall. I've already got Lopez
Oh,
out
boy.
conducting research in the field. Lopez, status
How's it
update
looking?
report.
Yo soy solamente...
Yeah, it's a wall.
Hot potato? I knew there was something foreign and mysterious about it.
Yo soy entrenado.
Yeah, blame the language barrier. You gonna do? Next?
Excellent work, men. At this rate, we'll see the other side of that wall in no time.
Sir, you know
I think you got the angle wrong.
Your judgment.
Great. Let's keep it that way. Now, the plan is simple. By harnessing the tremendous powers of inertia, we can increase the speed of the Warthog and blast straight through to the other side.
No es inertia.
Yeah, wrong.
Lopez.
Esto de los rampa 7...
Even I was thinking that, like, that's not even gonna be close.
Y tiempo.
I don't know, Sarge. Driving a car through a solid metal wall just seems a little
Dumb.
plausible.
It's freaking impossible.
Don't you
Thank
worry,
you.
Private Drift. We've taken extra special precautions to make sure nothing goes wrong and no one is hurt. Or, to be more specific, that very few things go wrong and only one person is hurt.
Why won't my seatbelt unlock?
Extra special precautions. All right. Let's
Dude.
kill 2 griffs with 1 stone.
Thinking well.
Alright, how about this? In exchange for letting me fly the new vehicle, I'll give you permanent shotgun. Dude, screw that. The passenger seats are exactly the same. Not to mention completely exposed. But look, it's got a badass machine gun. Meow. This is Captain Caboose. We are hit and losing altitude. The use of cell phones and all electronic devices is now permitted. If you're interested in our frequent flyer program, we will soon begin handing out
Flyer
pamphlets.
program.
Listen, I'm not falling to my death just because you don't know how to fly that thing. Oh, what? And you do? Hell no, but I never get anything around here. You got your sniper rifle, Caboose got to drive the tank, and the Reds have their Jeep.
Not for long.
Ow!
Well, looks like that plan failed completely.
Simmons, don't be so quick to judge. Griff, are you alive in there?
Yes, barely.
Ah, damn it. Total failure.
All I'm saying is, for someone who hasn't gotten laid since deployment, I sure do feel like I'm getting screwed all the time. Okay, fine. I guess we'll just have to settle this the old-fashioned way.
What? That's the old-fashioned way.
Simmons report status. Status report, Simmons.
Well, sir, the Warthog is destroyed, the wall is still intact, and Donut says that Griff is lucky to be alive.
All terrible news.
I hate to say it, sir, but I really don't think we have enough firepower to blast through to the other side.
What I'm hearing you say is we need to find something with even more firepower.
Actually, sir, I was saying...
Like a tank.
Wait, what?
It's settled then. You and Griff will commandeer the enemy vehicle.
No! There is no way I've survived an 80-mile-per-hour crash just to get blown up by a tank!
Fine. Lopez, stop fooling around. You're going with Simmons to Blue Base.
Yo soy retornado.
Now, start turning this ridiculous ramp contraption into an equally ridiculous elevator contraption of similar value.
What? Why?
Because, in the somewhat likely event that these two don't come back, we've got to have a fallback plan.
What's the fallback plan?
Simple. If we can't go through the wall, then we're gonna go over it.
But I hate heights.
Why does he even come up with that first? Good boy. Alright, number 3. Think they're gonna get the tank? Probably not.
Hard. Don't make me do this.
Damn it, Griff, hurry up. We gotta find out what's on the other side of that wall.
But I don't think I can climb any higher. And the birds keep circling me. Why are they doing that? What have I done to anger you? Go crap on a car or something. Leave me alone.
You move so little most of the time, they probably think you're a statue. Birds love statues.
Sarge!
Less talking, more climbing. For all we know, Simmons and Lopez are already in a heated battle with the Blues.
Probably not.
Ah! I think there's a nest up here. Oh God, what if there's eggs?
All right, Lopez, there's the tank. But where are all the Blues?
Probablemente fuera espionado mientras se usa un rifle como un telescopio.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, there they are. What are they doing?
Encierro. Todo esto podría
Yeah,
ser
over in 3 shots.
3 disparos. Solo apretar el gatillo, maldita.
You're right, Lopez. It does seem suspicious.
Dispara a mí.
You're gonna just shoot yourself, right?
Yeah, I'm ready. Ready to win that sweet-ass helicopter.
On 3. 1,
2, 3. Caboose!
Hello.
Come here, Caboose. Come on, Caboose. Come here, buddy. I've
They're
got
gonna-
something for you. Go say hi to your good friend Church. What's up, buddy?
So they're gonna lure church towards each other. Okay.
That is correct. Why do you keep saying my name? Come here, buddy. I've got a surprise for you.
It's not a dog.
Over here, Caboose. By me.
What?
Well, that would be fine. Caboose, if you come here,
Oh.
I'll help you organize your kitten calendar. Yeah, well, maybe
Yeah,
we
the
can
kitten
grab something
calendar.
together. Wait,
What the hell?
Caboose, I'll teach you how to read a calendar. I never thought of that, actually, before. That could be good. Caboose, I'll let you play with the tank whenever you want. Oh, wow, yeah. We could jungle gym maybe even. Wait, Tucker, come on. You can't do that. Why not? You never ruled out lying. Half of the stuff I have in life I got through lying. And the other half I got by stealing, which is basically
Wow.
just lying about which stuff is yours. No, hey, Caboose. Wouldn't you rather come over and hang out with me? Your best friend. Your best... Oh, your best...
Come on, you can say it.
It's not worth it. No, too late. I heard you say it. We all did. Yeah, watch out, ladies. Captain Tucker is ready for liftoff.
Okay, we made it. Let's get out of here before the Blues. Wait, what's that?
Vamos a ir.
Oh my gosh. Is that a helicopter?
Mira, incluso dejo le lavas un encendido.
All right, Lopez, change of plans. We're stealing that airship.
Como no estamos
We're not even trying to fly it.
para volar.
Think about it. What if the tank isn't strong enough to blast through the wall? What then?
Vamos a tener un tanque y los alos traerán un pequeño avión que probablemente no siquiera pueda volar.
Exactly. So if we steal that chopper, we can just go over the wall instead of through it. It's a sure thing.
No podemos volar, you say.
We'd be dumb not to do it. Yep. Hello, and thank you for activating the UH-144 Falcon aircraft. You may call me Phil.
Hey, Phil.
Why, hello there, Phil. Would you like me to run the tutorial program? Oh, hell yeah. I love tutorials. Tutorial mode activated.
Best day ever, Empoleon.
Shut up, don't ruin this for me.
Okay, how about this? What if I threw in the keys to the tank as well? No, I'm not giving you my helicopter. Oh, how about this? What if I promise to be your wingman for life? Not happening, dude.
Ouch.
Tucker, this is my final offer. I will give you the sniper rifle.
Ouch.
You know, Church, the old Tucker probably would have taken you up on that. But I'm Captain Tucker now. And Captain Tucker only does two things. Gets laid and pilots his sweet-ass helicopter.
Help! I have no idea what I'm doing!
Uh-oh.
Now that you have mastered the art of liftoff, we will move on to the ladies.
On the other hand, Captain Tucker could also learn to love rifles in exchange for... Yeah, deal's off, Captain.
No.
Sarge? I think I see something.
Is it a secret weapon? No, wait. It's another blue base, isn't it?
It kind of looks like a big bird.
We already took care of that situation, Private.
Wait a minute. Is that... Griff? Simmons?
Simmons?
Save me! He's gonna crash. Sarge, get me down!
No abandoning the mission.
You've got to be kidding me!
I don't want to die a virgin! Porque mi miras
Virgin.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
I made it!
I think he got flown over the wall.
Simmons, your terrible piloting skills broke to the wall. You get an A+ and doing things bad.
But where's Griff?
Damn it.
Hi.
Another wall? How are we gonna get through that?
Why would we do that?
Sir?
I just wanted to know what was on the other side of our wall. It turns out
Oh,
it was
boy.
just a harmless second wall. Case closed.
But sir.
Case closed.
¿Qué idiotas se hacer?
Ah, Lopez. Perfect timing. This wall needs to be rebuilt. Pronto.
¿Qué?
Oh, and
Yeah.
by the way, when you're done with that wall, the Warthog could use some maintenance. It's making kind of a funny sound when it starts, and it's also, in several pieces. So have fun with that.
Really?
My knees are in several pieces.
Yeah. I'm surprised you haven't done that already. Only in dreams, Lopez. Sorry, buddy. And unfortunately, never gonna have that chance. Sorry, bud. Anyway, I think season 10's after this, so see you guys then. Hope you enjoyed. Adios.